This is the letter A. Apple. A for apple. This is the letter
B.
B is for baby. This is the letter C.
C. Cat.
Cat. C is for cat. This is the letter D.
D. Dog. Dog.
This is the letter E. E.
Elephant.
E for elephant. This is the letter F. F.
F. Fish.
F for fish. Colorful fish. This is the letter G. G. G for goat.
G.
G for goat. This is the letter H.
H.
H for helicopter. This is the letter I.
Ice cream.
This is the letter J. J
J.
for jelly. Y. Remember, J is for jelly. This is the letter K. A.
K.
K for key.
Is the letter L. L. L for lion. For lion. Is the letter M.
Monkey.
For monkey. Is the letter N. N for nest. Is the letter O. For orange. O is for orange. Is the letter P. Parrot. P is for parrot. P. Parrot. What is the letter Q? Q. Queen. Queen. What is the letter R?
R.
For rose. What is the letter S? Star. Remember, S is for star. What is the letter T? For tree. T for tree. This is the letter U.
Umbrella.
Umbrella. This is the letter V. Volcano. V for volcano. This is the letter W.
W.
Watermelon. W for watermelon. This is the letter X. For xylophone. Listen to the xylophone play its happy sounds. This is the letter Y. For yacht. For yacht. Yacht is sailing on the sea.
This is the letter Z. Zebra. The zebra with black and white stripes, eating grass.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe